Hey everyone, today I want to show you a cool command line tool for instantly printing a text-based periodic table right in your terminal. Whether you're studying chemistry or just think the periodic table is neat, this tool makes it super easy to reference whenever you need it. The tool is called periodic-table-cli, and you can use it with npx to generate the periodic table with a single command. First, make sure you have npx installed on your system. npx comes packaged with node.js and npm. You can check if you have it by running npx version. If you get a version number, great. If not, install it with npm. Install npx now to print the periodic table. Simply run npx periodic-table-cli. And just like that, you'll see the full periodic table rendered in your terminal. The cool thing is, this periodic table is interactive. You can navigate with arrow keys, toggle display modes with, and search elements with arrow keys, and enter quit with SC or Ctrl+C. So if you need a chemistry reference or just want to impress your friends with a text-based periodic table, give periodic-table-cli a try. It's a super handy tool for any science student or periodic table enthusiast. Let me know if you find this useful. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on sprucing up your terminal. Like, share, and subscribe.